bodies and long legs are built for speed, not power. They can do 0 to 80 in under 3 seconds and reach top speeds over 100 kilometers per hour. But they lack the firepower. Lions use their strength, size, and numbers to go after the big boys. Buffalo, zebra, wildebeest. Of pure power when they venture out alone. Deadly. But just because they're bigger and stronger than everyone else doesn't mean they don't have enemies. Powerful male lions, ruthlessly pursuing rivals who might be a threat to their young. A perfect storm on the African plains, and a lucky filmmaker in the perfect position to capture it all on tape.